It's a beautiful day, babe.
I know, feel like skipping work.
Look, date day. Let's do it.
It's tempting, but no.
Who are we meeting anyway?
Annie and Henry, they're
Annie.
newlyweds.
Okay.
Been married about a year. He had a son previously, he's about 12, and then they just had a son together who's about a year old.
Okay.
Annie's mom lives with them too, and they've been living in the city. So this is gonna be my first time meeting them in person. They had another real estate agent, but they've left them because they said they were tired of putting in offers and not getting a house. So they've come to me to close the deal. They're ready to move to the suburbs. They wanna stay in Roswell to keep him close to work. They
Okay.
wanna actually have time to spend together instead of Atlanta traffic.
It's been a frustrating search. 9 offers. It's getting a little down to the wire.
Yeah.
What's their budget?
Well, they'd like to be all in under 800K.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
This is it?
There's grass in the house, honey. You be mowing.
Hey guys.
Hello.
After you.
Okay, thank you.
A lot of light.
Yeah.
You do get a lot of sunlight with all the
I
windows
do.
from the front of the house.
Light is my #1 thing. Natural light.
Okay. On the right is a room. On the left, formal dining space. As you usher to the back of the house, you have a sunroom. 2-story great room, kitchen with an eat-in space. Upstairs, you have 4 bedrooms, including the owner's suite on the left. Here we have dining room,
Okay.
formal dining, at least that's how they were utilizing it.
Nice.
However, it could be a playroom for your son or a home office area. Over here, they have a living room, which could also have doors put on it. It could be a home office.
Nice and
Okay,
bright.
nice, yeah.
Over here, a half bath and more storage.
Okay.
And then you have this all-weather room. It's not included in the home square footage, but it gives you an additional 200 square feet of living. Into the 2-story great room with a catwalk up top.
I like the way it feels. It feels nice.
Okay.
It's open, and it looks really nice when you walk in. I
You
like
do it
the
here?
echo.
Yeah.
I mean, I like the double foyer. I do like that, but I think it's create a lot of noise. Yeah.
Okay, well, this flows right into the eat-in kitchen. You've got a very spacious kitchen here.
wow.
Yeah, it's a good
do.
size.
A lot of empty
I
space
like
right here.
it. It's just,
Dead space, you feel?
yeah, there's a
space.
lot of dead
Dead
space.
space.
I mean, it's a little sterile.
I do think it could have been laid out better. Here's what I see
Yeah.
immediately. Right now, where they have the stove,
Okay.
I think this is what's making the kitchen feel small. But if we move your stove more centered to the wall and remove that column there, and then look, you turn around and you balance straight with that room.
Right.
You run an island here. Now we're giving you a kitchen to talk about. This is where your money would be spent for the most part, right? Babe, by the way, to do this renovation, where would that put us?
New cabinets, island, countertops, flooring. At least 40,000.
Okay, come on, let's take a look upstairs. You have 3 additional bedrooms, so that leaves 1 for each boy, and then you've got 1 for your mom, Annie. So now you're entering the owner's suite.
Yeah.
This is pretty. A lot of space.
All right, into the bathroom,
Okay.
which is quite sizable.
Oh, babe. Look at the tub for two,
This is-
honey.
Is this something you'd want to renovate, or you feel like this is livable for you?
Yeah.
So then really we're spending our money downstairs.
Right.
Okay, guys, come on, let's head back down and have a chat. I'd really love to know, should this stay on the list?
I think after putting in 9 offers and being rejected, then
That was not with me, right? Let's just be clear, that was not with me. All right, is this high up on your list?
I believe so. This
Yeah.
is very high up on the list.
think
from what
so.
we've seen.
Budget-wise, where does that put us?
Well, we already have 40,000 in the kitchen, right? Then you got the yoga room, the playroom, the office, and let's not forget removing this column. So you're looking at around 70,000.
This is just one. Obviously,
Okay.
we have more homes to see, but if this is high up, then
Yeah.
we don't want to waste time with this either. So can we knock some out today and just to give you some comparison?
Let's go look. Yeah. I mean,
Yeah, we can do that.
Okay,
Okay, I think this is it.
This is it. Here we are.
so we are right around the same square footage as the last house. From the outside, maybe it doesn't look that way, but it
Okay.
has a lower level, so that's where we get the extra square
Okay.
footage. Want to go inside?
Certainly.
Come on in.
Go on in.
All right.
Hey.
Thank you.
So
Okay.
When you walk in this house, you have dining room to the left, much like the last house, center hall, steps, an office. You go to the back, great room is on the right, your kitchen's on the left, and then you can flow right on outside to a screened-in porch that overlooks a massive backyard. Upstairs, 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, room for everybody, and it also has a large open basement. Now, I know it's a little bit further from your job, Henry, but it's $75,000 less than the other house. So it gives us a little room to do more renovation.
Okay.
May need some work, maybe not as much.
Okay.
So we'll kind of feel it out. The first thing is you needed an office. This is already an
put
office.
together.
It's done.
I mean, for very little cost, you could turn that into a library shelf or more storage.
That's a great idea, babe.
Yeah.
Guys, I gotta be honest. You don't look sold on this place yet. Take a look back here. I wanna show you one big bonus. You actually have a screened-in porch that overlooks a huge backyard here.
Hello, this is gorgeous.
Look how expansive that
Babe,
is.
look at the yard. Wow.
This is
Did you see?
There's a creek here?
Yeah, there's a little creek back there. It's a full private oasis, though. Look,
This
you can't
is
even see the
very-
neighbors. It's a world of opportunities. There's so
Yeah.
much that could be done here.
And since we have budget to spare, we can go all out on the hardscape.
This is awesome.
All right, let's see how the
Okay.
kitchen fares for you then. Talk to me.
Okay.
It is a little bit small,
Smaller.
but I love the view. Look at this view, babe. Just stand here and look.
All right, you ready?
I'm
Watch your
ready.
step when you go down.
Okay. Basement, basement. Look, there's a brick here. I like that brick. Like,
That's actually a cool feature.
whoa.
Okay.
Okay.
There's a lot of space here.
Now,
Potential.
this we did not have at the last house. Now, let me show you something else. There's this other unfinished side.
Workshop.
This is good, honey. This,
I like the basement.
Yeah.
Separate, complete,
Basement.
separate
Yeah.
area.
yeah.
We could have the yoga studio and playroom downstairs. That's
And
appealing.
so, again, they're asking $650.
Okay.
This house with the basement is approximately the same square footage as the first house.
Okay.
4 bedrooms as well. Okay.
Okay.
Spending $60,000 of that still keeps you well under the $800,000 threshold.
I think both houses have pros and cons. A lot of stuff that we do like at this house, and we do like some of the stuff at the other house.
Yes.
We gotta talk about it.
Hey, it's Egypt. How are you?
Hi, doing well.
Hi, guys. So I've been watching, and the basement house just went under contract.
Oh, man. Oh.
Yeah. The other one with the catwalk is still in the picture.
Yeah,
Okay.
let's move forward. I don't want to lose another one.
Let me just call the agent,
Great. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Egypt.
and they're off the fence. So we didn't play around. We put in an offer for full ask price of $725, and boom, we got it. So we're under contract.
There you go.
And we can start talking about design and construction now.
There's not too much to do in the yoga area. There's not much to do in the office either. So we're gonna focus all of our energy in the kitchen, taking out the cabinets, taking out the appliances. Get ready for a full gut. Don't forget, they're saving all of this.
Be gingerly.
Okay.
Now that we have the delicate items out of the kitchen, Mike's crew's starting on the dirty work.
We're 4 weeks away from Annie and Henry moving back into their new home, and things are really moving along. We've demoed the old windows for the yoga studio, cased in the doorway for the new French doors, and opened up the column between the kitchen and the living room. Which means it's time to add a support beam to the ceiling.
Good. Dave, step back, step back. Embrace what will be. That feels good, right? Because this is so open. I think this was a good call.
Yeah, great call by E.
Today we have a full house. Just 3 weeks left before Annie and Henry have to move out of their short-term rental. My wife is constructing cushions for the banquette. The guys are patching the kitchen, and Uncle Mark and I are installing panels in the yoga room to give it an organic vibe. Okay.
Henry and Annie want their home to feel very natural, organic. So I wanted to really make the inspiration of the house that Japanese style.
So in the yoga room, we're gonna take these acoustic slatted panels and adhere them to the ceiling. This way it gives the ceiling a feature.
I think it's a great design move for the house because the acoustic slatted panels costs significantly less than the tambour panels, but at the same time, it pulls that fluted feature that we have going on into the kitchen outside, and so it just synergizes. We are less than a week away from Annie and Henry moving into their new house, so it's all hands on deck. We're installing stylish new wallpaper on the ceiling of the playroom, sliding doors for the office are going in, and the cabinets and shelves are going up. The last tambour panels have been installed, and I'm working on updating the railing for the catwalk. I'm so excited. We are turning the house over today. The backsplash has arrived, and it's gonna be finished just in time for Annie and Henry. The ceiling fan is being installed in the yoga room, right where that Narragansett green perimeter comes in, and it helps the room feel more organic.
I don't know about you, but I think we slam dunk this one. You feel good about them seeing the property?
I do. I am excited for them to see it. Yeah, we got everything on their wish list, okay?
Hey, guys. What's going on?
Hey, guys.
Welcome home.
Baby, I get to see the baby.
What's up, buddy? How are you?
My mom Lynn is here with us.
Nice to see you. Are you? Nice to meet you.
We're excited.
So the anticipation is building, I'm sure, and we don't want to hold you up from getting inside your house, but I just want to recap. Your biggest thing was you wanted to feel like home and put your personal staple on it, updating the main space, and really opening it up so it all flowed and felt organic. Right? Right? Did I miss anything?
Organic. Nope.
You do the honors.
Do it. Check it out.
Okay, I'm gonna close. Oh my God. Okay.
Come on in.
This is your room. Looks good?
Let me see.
Can I pinch you?
You can smack me again, too.
You can go in. It's your office.
I can't.
You can do whatever you want. Sit in your chair, relax, put your feet on the desk. Now you've got plenty of storage.
I think I get to use one of the cabinets.
Okay.
Really love the color.
You can close the door and have an actual business phone call. Annie, can we come in your office? Mom, can we come in?
I didn't think this was real. I'm sorry. I did not envision this.
Well, do you think he wants to go see his playroom?
He's like, can I go over there?
Go play whatever you want.
You guys literally listen to everything.
The ambiance is really nice. It's really calming.
The detail, it's just,
We kind of have that effect on people.
no, this is,
Him love this room now.
Yeah. I don't think he's going to finish the tour.
He might not. Down the hall, we have your updated and elevated powder room.
wow.
It looks good. I could spend hours in here.
I don't want to witness that. But your biggest transformation is right around this corner. Walk into the living room and into your kitchen. Go for it.
Oh,
What do you think about your new elevated living room?
Look at the fireplace.
it's like a different house altogether. It's completely different.
What do you guys think of your new kitchen?
Look at the
The biggest thing here was there was a column blocking your view and the energy of the kitchen.
Big now.
You get to see the entire span of the house. I want to remind you guys, the kitchen actually doubled. You had this big empty space. So now we filled it out with plenty of seating. This is a custom-made table. We wanted the tambour with the ridging and then brought it over here to the island as well. Scale of 1 to 10, guys.
This is like freaking 20.
This is wild.
I'll take 20.
Remember, there was a door right there. And we were going up and down about whether or not the door stayed or goes, but what do you think?
I don't care about the door.
If I want to go out, I can open the window. Easy.
There's one more thing for you to see. This is your yoga studio.
How is this the coolest room in the house now?
We've added the unit so that it would be cool in here.
And it also heats. So now this is an all-weather room, which means we added 200 additional finished, heated and cooled square feet to your house.
And you can see out, but your neighbors can't see in because we have ultraviolet tints on there.
I like the ceiling.
It really defines the Japandi style, melding natural elements for a cozy feeling.
I mean, the plants, just the decor. I am obsessed.
2 thumbs up. Love it.
You like it?
Yeah.
High five.
High five.
High five.
Do you guys want to go talk numbers?
Yes. I don't even have the words to explain how we feel. The countertops is insane. The curvature, there's so many overwhelming factors. I just had to touch something to ground myself. It came down to the detail. You know, we talked about the organic vibe that we're going for, the natural look, the Zen feel, because I'm a little hyper, so I need that Zen thing. This is like a completely new, different
It's
house.
brand new.
The hardest part is always cutting the check. The best part is figuring out how much value you added to your house, right? So when we first started this journey, you bought the house for $725,000, spent $70,000 on the renovations, then with the yoga room, we added 200 square feet that you can now consider part of the heated and cooled livable square footage, which at $200 a square foot adds $40,000 more, which means you're moving into an $835,000 house.
We're just never gonna sell it. I mean, we don't care. We don't care at this point.
You can't put a dollar on quality of life.
I feel like this is home, even though,
And my wife is happy, so I feel great. This is good.
yeah.
Everything's good.